Using AI to create NSFW, not safe for work, funnels both legally and efficiently requires a thoughtful combination of compliance awareness, content strategy, automation tools, and responsible use of artificial intelligence. This means leveraging AI for text, image, voice, and video generation without violating platform rules, local or international laws, or the terms of affiliate networks and advertising platforms. First, the legal foundation must be solid. You must clearly verify that your AI-generated content adheres to 18+ content laws, which vary by region. In most countries, any adult content, real or synthetic, must simulate or feature individuals who are clearly over the age of 18. AI models trained to generate people must be used responsibly to avoid creating or implying underage representations, deep fakes of real people without consent, or content that would fall into restricted categories such as non-consensual scenarios or illegal fetishes. To stay legal, always include disclaimers on your funnels such as all models are 18+. This is AI-generated fictional content, and no real individuals are depicted. Next, choose tools that allow you to build fast, scalable NSFW funnels. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or other LLMs to write landing page copy, captions, chat scripts, and ad creatives. You can prompt these models to generate seductive but compliant copy like you won't believe what she does next. Click to see more where this private video is only for members. For funnel building, use tools like Card, Unbounce, System.io, or WordPress with Elementor to rapidly create one-page websites that host teasers, email opt-ins, and redirect links to adult offers. Pair your AI-written copy with AI-generated images or videos using services like Midjourney for artistic nudes, Leonardo AI, or Stable Diffusion with appropriate NSFW settings enabled. Note that most platforms like OpenAI's DALL-E or Midjourney prohibit explicit pornographic generation in their terms of service, so you must use models that allow NSFW use and are hosted on systems you control, such as local installations of Stable Diffusion with adult-trained models like Deliberate, Chill-Out Mix, or Realistic Vision. If creating videos, tools like Runway ML and Pika Labs can be used for PG-rated AI-generated videos, while more explicit generations may require open-source, locally run models. These visual assets can populate your teaser funnels, such as blurred thumbnails, cropped bodies, or suggestive GIFs that encourage users to click through. You can also use AI-generated voice from 11 Labs or PlayHT to produce seductive dialogue clips for adult chatbots, voice-over teaser videos, or even voicemail-style landing pages where the user hears, "Hey baby, I've been waiting for you." All of this can be done quickly, especially if you use automation platforms like Zapier or Make, Integromat, to tie funnel steps together. For example, you can automate the process where an AI chatbot on your site, built with GPT-4 or similar, engages with a user, then pushes their email to a CRM like MailerLite, sends them a drip campaign with AI-written seduction emails, and redirects them to an affiliate offer. Email content can be personalized with dynamic content generated on the fly, such as, "Hey, first name, I just uploaded something special for you. Click here." To create multiple funnels efficiently, prompt AI tools to generate variations of your content targeting different kinks or niches. For instance, instruct your AI to generate a copy sequence and page layout for foot fetish, MILF, transgender models, or cosplay. Each funnel should be niche-specific, use unique AI-generated imagery or characters, and drive traffic to tailored affiliate offers. Use tools like Canva or AdCreative.ai to build ad banners in seconds using your AI assets. When launching paid traffic, stay away from mainstream ad networks like Facebook and Google, which ban adult content outright. Instead, use adult-friendly networks such as Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, Juicy Ads, or PopCash. When creating ad creatives, your AI copy should suggest explicit themes without violating ad rules. For example, using blurred visuals with taglines like "She's not wearing much and wants you to see more." For retargeting, use pixels from platforms like Volume, RedTrack, or Bmob to track user journeys and optimize conversions. Legally, it's essential to have terms of service, privacy policy, and age verification disclaimers on every funnel page. AI can assist in generating legally compliant terms by prompting it to write policies tailored to adult content and affiliate tracking. You should also log the prompts and source models you used for generation to provide evidence that no real people were depicted and that your content was synthetic. When in doubt, consult with a digital media or IP lawyer familiar with adult entertainment and AI media laws. AI chatbots can also serve as part of the funnel. Using platforms like BotPress, Tidio, or ManyChat with OpenAI or Claude integrations. You can build chat interfaces that simulate erotic conversations and redirect users to affiliate links. These bots can simulate characters and even run personas like horny gamer girl, dominant MILF, or curious college boy. Depending on your target audience, the conversation ends with prompts such as "Wanna see me for real? Join me here," link to a campsite, dating site, or OnlyFans page. Use proper content filters, disclaimers, and conversational limits to avoid any interaction that implies illegal or non-consensual activity. One advanced strategy is to build AI persona-based funnels around unique characters, synthetic influencers with names, backstories, and AI-modeled images. These personas can be featured in blog posts, short clips, chat apps, and teaser videos, allowing you to build a brand without using any real individual's likeness. Because these characters are fictional and fully synthetic, and provided you avoid violating community standards or local laws, they can operate as marketing avatars across multiple platforms including Twitter, Reddit, Mastodon, and adult-friendly forums. Additionally, using AI to analyze user behavior and optimize your funnel is critical. Tools like ChatGPT can be fed anonymized performance data such as click-through rates, bounce rates, time on page, or conversion metrics. Ask it to suggest optimizations based on real data, such as improving headline hooks, rewriting CTA buttons, or suggesting alternate layouts for landing pages. AI can also be used for compliance checks and content moderation. Tools like Hive Moderation or SiteEngine can scan your images and content for violations of adult standards or legal gray areas, helping you stay compliant when scaling your funnel across ad networks or affiliate platforms. In summary, to use AI to create NSFW funnels legally and fast, you must first choose the right tools that allow adult content generation or work locally with models designed for NSFW purposes. Use AI text generation for funnel copy, storylines, chatbot personas. In email marketing, use AI imagery or video generation responsibly, ensuring compliance with legal and ethical guidelines. Automate funnel creation and email sequences with platforms like Zapier, System.io, or Card for lightweight deployment. Monitor all content for compliance. Document your processes, and avoid depicting or implying real people without consent. When executed correctly, AI allows solo marketers or small teams to scale their adult funnels across dozens of niches in a fraction of the time, while maintaining full control of the brand voice, character development, and sales flow. Always treat synthetic NSFW content creation with the same legal and ethical seriousness as real adult content and align your efforts with affiliate guidelines, ad platform policies, and the expectations of the adult community to ensure longevity and success. Monitor all content for compliance, document your processes, and avoid depicting or implying real people without consent. When executed correctly, AI allows solo marketers or small teams to scale their adult funnels across dozens of niches in a fraction of the time, while maintaining full control of the brand voice, character development, and sales flow. Always treat synthetic NSFW content creation with the same legal and ethical seriousness as real adult content and align your efforts with affiliate guidelines, ad platform policies, and the expectations of the adult community to ensure longevity and success.